Talesong 34. A house for Mr. Biswas. I arrive in town, life full of hope, dreams of my house, a place to cope. Marriage brings joy, yet troubles stay. Family's hands pull me every way. I toil and bargain, every penny earned, through ups and downs, lessons learned. Each home I rent feels like a chain. I long for freedom, to stake my claim. Children grow, traditions persist. I fight for my space, I insist. Through failures, triumphs, life twists fast. A house becomes more than stone and glass. Finally I stand in walls of my own. Work and worry, sweat overgrown. A life asserted, identity clear. A house, a man, a place to steer. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.